Hi everyone, this is Arsh Vaja from AI Arsenal. This video is for anyone interested in research, studying more efficiently, or summarizing information with AI. In this video, I will be teaching you how to use NotebookLM by Google. NotebookLM is an AI-powered notebook created by Google's Gemini that allows you to understand and work with your own documents instead of searching the entire internet. In order to start, go to notebook.google.com. It will take you to this page, Gemini Notebook. The main thing that you will see are three different tabs: All, Featured Notebooks, and Collections. All will show you your recent notebooks as well as featured notebooks. Featured notebooks are notebooks created by the public and contain many sources and information that you can use without creating your own notebook. Collections are a group of notebooks that you create and sort together. Now click Create New Notebook. You'll be taken to a new page with three different panels. The left side is all your sources, the center is the chat box, and the right is the studio, which includes things such as an audio overview, which is an AI podcast, video overviews, mind maps, reports, and more. Now I will add my source. I chose a photosynthesis article and PDF. The AI will take this PDF, learn, intake the data, and then give responses based off of it. It may take some time depending on how long your article is. Now it will give a quick overview on what the article, PDF, website, or video says. You can also name your notebook. As well as customize it through adding an image. Now I can ask a simple question or a more detailed question based on what I want. So this time I will ask, what is photosynthesis? The AI will get the context directly from my source, which means it's accurate information and it focuses on the main and essential parts. Now it's giving a couple paragraphs of what photosynthesis is. Remember to keep your questions very thorough and direct. However, in Gemini Notebook, you may be able to be a little bit more broad since the source already condenses it to a small area to focus on. Now I will use one of the studio tools, flashcards. So I can choose the number of flashcards, the level of difficulty, and the source that it will use. So I'll choose medium flashcards and the standard amount. And here I will tell it to base it off on the equations of photosynthesis. This will cause it to generate the flashcards based off of the source. A benefit of Gemini Notebook is that it keeps all of the sources, information, questions, and visual resources very organized, so you don't need to keep scrolling through the chat box such as ChatGPT or more simple models. Such as uploading the source, generating the flashcards, or other advanced tools may take longer. Now, the photosynthesis flashcards are created. It states the source and how long ago they were created. Now, when I open them, it'll show the different flashcards. For example, it's asking what the primary biochemical process that sustains the biosphere is. In order to see the answer, I click and it shows photosynthesis, so I can say whether I got it wrong or right. In general, Gemini Notebooks is a very good tool for school, research, organizing information, and just learning more about topics that interest you. You now know how to upload sources, ask questions, organize research, and generate study materials using AI. NotebookLM, in my opinion, is one of the best tools for students because it keeps the answers focused on your own documents. This means that you can give some documents that your teacher might have gave, which means that your teacher knows that they are reliable and you will focus on good information. Remember, do not use NotebookLM to replace your own learning. AI works best as a study tool instead of a crutch that does everything for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more about NotebookLM, go to the NotebookLM article on our website, aiarsenal.org. Thank you for watching.